Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Tom on your Telegram wallet P2P. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on P2P markets. The next thing is to tap on buy option here. The next thing is to enter your payment method. I'm going to be selecting bank transfer and tap on done. You can select any of the option though. Tap on verification. Make sure you tap on trusted merchandise in order to get verified merchandise and trusted merchandise for this trade. The next one is to tap on kind of currency you're going to be selling with or buying with. The next one is to select the crypto that you will be working with. So I want to buy Tom, so I'm going to leave it on Tom. Next thing is to enter amount of crypto you want to buy. Able to find those merchandise that are ready to trade on such Tom. So I'm entering 1000 Tom. So from when you enter the amount of Tom you want to buy, if you have Tom on your Telegram wallet, it's going to bring out the number of merchandise that deals on that amount, show you their ads. Okay, let me take for instance this first trade that I have here. He says that price per 1 Tom is 9,218. So if I tap on his, you can see his details here. His limit is 5,000 to 41,000 naira for Tom, and his payment method is money points. So if you want to see his ad detail, you just have to tap on the ad details to see everything about him. The payment timeout is 15 minutes and the seller name is Hassan, and see the trade start is 12217.99%. So these are the details of the trader. You can see the account name, the payment account, and everything is being placed there. So if you want to buy, you just have to tap on buy, enter the amount you want to buy, create an order, and allow him to confirm, or have the trader to confirm your order. So immediately the trader confirms your order, you can now, the trader will give you a response by making you to know that, notifying you that your order has been confirmed. Then you can now able to buy your Tom from this trader. Within 15 minutes the transaction will take place. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified, and giving this video will be very helpful to this video. Thanks for watching.